Right, okay then, so question 3, the perimeter of the parallelogram, P, so it's going to be the perimeter's distance all the way across. So we're going to an L on the top, L on the bottom, and that's another W there, so we've got 2 L's and 2 W's. So it's definitely not that, it's definitely not times, that would be L times W times by 2, no, so it ends up being this one. So we've got L plus W, and then you're going to double the whole thing. So the area of square A is A centimetre squared, so what's the correct formula? So D's there, yep, so D times D, so that's your area there, D squared. So the surface area of a cuboid is S, so what's the correct formula for the surface area? So what we've got to do for the surface area then is work out the area of that part there, which will be X times Z. Then we've got to work out the area of this part here, which would be Y times Z, and then the area of the top as well, which would be X times Y, and then times them all by 2. So it ends up being that one there. Right, surface area of a cube, so that's in bold there, so it must be important, is 150 centimetres squared. So think about a cube. Very bad drawing, but it looks a bit like that. So a dice is going to have 6 sides, 6 faces. So if the total surface area of that dice is 150, the first thing I would do is I would divide by 6 to get the area of one of these faces. So 150 shared by 6 gives me 25. So as we just saw earlier, the area of a square is D squared. So the area of something squared gives me 25. What we'll do is we'll do the square root of 25, which gives me 5 centimetres. So each one of these is 5 centimetres. And then the volume of a cube is 5 times 5 times, so it's height times width times length. So it's 5 cubed. Can't write very well. So 5 to the power of 3. And that's 5 times 5, which is 25, times 5, which is 125 centimetres. It says cube there, but that's wrong. So if it's volume, it should be